The easiest thing that you can do to lose weight is something that most people didn't know. You know, we asked ourselves this question back in 2019. We got a group of around 10,000 people to find out what is the easiest and the most effective thing that you can do to lose weight. And it turns out it's not cutting carbs. It's not changing what you eat. Back in 2019, we got a group of 10,000 people and we gave them one challenge for a month. After this challenge, there were people losing 20 pounds. And people who kept that practice after this challenge, some of them are losing 50 pounds and counting. What we asked them was to spend 16 hours of the day without eating. Have you heard about intermittent fasting? That's exactly what we did. We knew that this works from research papers like the ones that come from the University of Illinois. They got a group of 23 participants and asked them to just have their breakfast a little later, have their dinner a little earlier, and after 8 weeks, these people are losing 3 pounds of fat, not changing anything that they eat. Of course, you can change what you eat to improve those benefits further, but intermittent fasting is perhaps the easiest and most effective thing that you can do to start losing weight. And this happens due to metabolic changes that your body goes through while you are fasting for 16 hours or so. Then comes the challenge. How do I do this? When should I fast? When should I not? For how long? If you want to know all the details to build a fasting practice that adapts to your own lifestyle, then we build a whole masterclass to help you navigate all these details. The link is down below. Sign up now, and I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know to build your own sustainable fasting practice. I see you in the masterclass.